Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Bright Star Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, I understand English and I can speak English.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am, 100% willing.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Have friends.
Do you know which place they were designated?
I don't know.
Okay, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am, I agree.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I am Faye Tarmatoril, 21 years old, and I was work in the Saudi Arabia almost 5 years. I was work here as a household worker. My task is I'm do like baking, cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, and sometimes I experience also how to take good care of the kids, the two kids with disabilities, sitting on the wheelchair. If their nanny was busy, I'm the one who handle with them. I do like catheter, urinary catheter, flushing poop, changing clothes, changing diaper, giving medicine, and take a shower. And sometimes I do playing with them. If I I trustworthy, God-fearing, friendly, and hardworking, and also I can work without supervision, and also I am sincere of my work. Hope see you soon. God bless and thank you.
Okay, ate. Very good introduction. Okay, but I would like to ask you, what year did you started working in Saudi Arabia and what year did you finish working there?
I was work there from February 2020 up to September 2024.
Okay, 2024. So, 20? You worked there for 4 years, is it?
Yes, 4 years and 7 months, I think.
Okay, so how old are those children that you take care?
From 2020, the boy is maybe 6 years old up to 11 years old.
How many children?
Have three.
Okay,
The
six.
two is with a disability,
The other child is 6 years old, and the two is disabled. Is it female or male?
male and female.
How old are?
It was February 20, it was 13 years old.
And the other one?
The other one is, I think, 15 years old.
Okay. So you take care this disabled children, 13 years old, 15 years old, and you take care a child 6 years old. You do cooking, baking, laundry, ironing, and house chores also at the same time, correct?
Yes, ma'am, but my main task is in the household. If
Yes.
their nanny was busy or
Yeah,
on vacation, I'm
understand.
the one to help.
So you do have
Okay.
some initiative to help your colleague lah, okay?
Yes.
So what
Yes, ma'am.
happened? Why you decided to go back home in the Philippines and didn't continue working to this employer?
Because I want to other country, ma'am,
Okay. So
to
I need
experience.
so Faye, I need to know some few more details from you again. You are 39 years old, right?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
are single or married?
I am married, but I separate. Then I have new live-in partner.
Okay, single with live-in partner. When is your birthday?
Yes, with me.
When is your birthday?
What, ma'am?
When is your birthday?
Birthday July 20, 1985.
What is your height and your weight?
Weight 48.
Your height?
5
Okay. What is your religion?
is the A, Seventh Day Adventist.
Okay. What about your educational background?
college level only first semester.
Okay, so how many children do you have?
I don't have children.
Okay, so wait, is your family
Yes.
allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes.
How many brother and sister do you have, and what is your rank in your family?
Seven. I have seven siblings, and two was deceased.
Okay, how many brother and sister do you have?
Three and four sister, three brothers.
What is your rank in your family then?
Pardon?
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
I am the second children.
Okay, what about your parents' occupation? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My 61 years old household was passed away.
Pass away. Okay. So, being a domestic helper, you already got experience working abroad, right? It is not new for you to work other countries. So, we must
Yes,
ready
ma'am.
ourselves. We need to be flexible. We need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task
Yes,
that the employer will be
yes,
given to you?
yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Can you take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
I will try my best.
Can you cook?
Yes, but
Can you
in the Chinese food, just little, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay.
Only
Can you
Arabic
care
I know.
Okay, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
The bedridden,
Yeah.
how to giving medicine,
Yeah, are you
and
okay?
also,
Are you okay?
yeah,
Yes,
yes,
ah. So are
I
you
try my best, ma'am.
okay? Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
I'm not sure, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs?
Yes, I am
It's okay,
afraid.
no problem, no problem. So you have a 2 years contract, okay? It's not 2 days,
Okay.
it's not 2 months, it's not 2 weeks. So once you breach your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. As nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home, yeah?
Yes,
Usage
yes,
of
ma'am.
mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during night time after you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning. You on your rest day, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. But of course, if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay?
Yes, agree.
I just wanted to clarify it in our initial interview whether you agree or you disagree. Yeah? We don't want to
Yes,
have such a trouble later. We don't want to have such a problem later once you come to work here in Malaysia because you were looking for a job, right? So
yes,
all we need to know is that you agree with our terms and conditions so that we don't have problem later. Yeah?
yes.
Okay. Normally, how do you fight your homesickness?
Homesickness, ma'am. I not feel homesickness.
You don't feel homesickness?
Yes,
Okay. So, Faye, I think okay, always remind yourself as I have mentioned so many times, this is not the Philippines. We need to humble ourselves, okay? We need to respect, follow the rules and regulations of the employer because you were the one who will be working inside the premises for 3 years. Any problems, any concerns, you inform your employer. If your employer didn't hear you, then you come back with us, okay? We agency
yes, ma'am.
also can
Okay.
help both employers and the workers. So I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Yes,
Thank you
yes.
so
Thank you
much
very
and
much,
have a
ma'am.
good day. Bye.
Ma'am.
Okay.